Hi, I'm JayDen, and this is my headphone stand project.
The motivation behind this project is that I wanted a custom headphone stand that would stick to a metal shelf. The first component that I decided to make was the base. This required cutting it to size, cutting a hole for the dowel to sit in, cutting a pilot hole and countersinking it so that the wood wouldn't break when I put the screw in, and putting 4 slots for the magnets to sit in. I was initially going to chamfer the edge, but instead I decided to sand it and round the edges. I finished the base by applying a conditioner and then staining it. The interior of the headphone rest is made of a sheet metal. I cut a hole into the sheet metal using a series of drill bits so that I could eventually connect it to the dowel using a screw. To bend the headphone rest into shape, I decided to clamp it to a roll of tape as the spring back created the perfect shape. The dowel is the component that holds the headphone rest to the base. Similar to the base, I decided to add pilot holes to either side of the dowel as I didn't want the screws to crack the dowel. I decided to sand the dowel so that I could eventually stain it similar to the base. I also ended up making a curvature so that the headphone rest wouldn't be stressed. I made a cover for the headphone rest so that the headphones were in direct contact with the metal. I did this by folding a piece of fabric over itself, sewing it, inserting the metal cover, and then hand sewing it once it was attached to the dowel.